I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to generate share codes for Spotify songs. These scannable codes let you instantly share songs, playlists, or albums with anyone. Just scan and listen. Step 1. Open the screen for the Spotify song that you want to create a share code for. Step 2. Tap the ellipses at the top of that screen to open a menu. Step 3. Scroll down this menu and then tap Show Spotify Code in this menu. The image associated with the Spotify code will be displayed. Step 4. Tap Save to Photos to save that Spotify share code to your device's camera roll where you can easily share it. This will allow other people to scan that code and be able to very quickly access that content in their own Spotify account. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.